Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Nanami Kodama. Code SONE 821. Released on July 22, 2025. And it has 140 minutes watch time. The story is about female student rides on a train. On the way going home, the girl rides on a train. Apparently, there is a guy that keeps bothering her. The girl cannot do anything but to wait until the train stops. Instead of going to the police station to report what happened on the train, the girl was excited what happened on the train. So the next day, the girl rides on a train again and she found out who was the guy. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.